everyone, welcome back to our channel, your daily dose for the career opportunities and hiring updates. So today's video is a big one about the PwC, which is one of the big four company, and they are basically hiring for the associate software engineer for the React and Node.js roles. So whether you are a freshers or someone with up to 2 years of experience, this could be your opportunity you have been waiting for. So let's dive into the details. But before diving in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we keep bringing three important hiring especially on this particular YouTube channel. And turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. So now let's dive into the job details. So the job, as you can see, is of a software engineer, especially in the field of Node.js and React and Node basically. So it's a full stack role. You have to work both on the front end, which is React, and the back end technology, which is Node.js. So position is of software engineering, as I already mentioned, and it's located in three different locations, as you can see. They have mentioned. So it's Bengaluru, Telangana, and Mumbai. So Telangana may be near to Hyderabad or Mumbai. So three locations they have mentioned, and yes, it's a full-time opportunity with a hybrid model, and it's under the category of software and production innovations team. So in this role, you'll be building a cutting-edge software solutions that driving product innovations to transform business digitally. So let's understand the requirements for this particular role. Then we'll jump to the responsibility section. So as you can see, they have mentioned so many skills over here. So you must have very good React knowledge, like strong in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, solid grasp of React fundamental components, like what is props, hooks, state, lifecycle, methods, and familiar with modern ES6 plus syntax, and hands-on with state management, Redux, context APIs, or MobX. Knowledge of React Router for SPAs, ability to write clean reusable components, and experience with tools like Webpack, Babel, etc. Basic CSS framework knowledge like Tailwind, Bootstrap is preferred, along with familiarity with unit testing, Jest, React testing library, Mocha. So these are kind of bonus skill if you have one, like library, Mocha, React testing, etc. But at least some basic understanding of React is required, which I already mentioned, like the functions, like fundamental components. Sorry, like props, state, React. Oops, I'm sorry. So these are the required skill sets from React and Node. Also, they have mentioned that you must have some basic understanding that they have mentioned over here. So you should understand. You should have understanding about the tech stack of Node.js, the RESTful APIs, code operations, proficiency with Express.js as well, and understanding of middleware and the request response lifecycle. Plus, you should have the familiarity with promise and asynchronous await as well. And JSON API response handling must be there. At least you should have some basic understanding if you are not that fluent in that. And SQL or NoSQL database experience, either one is also fine. I mean, if you have the SQL database knowledge, that also fine. SQLite, if you have working knowledge, that is well and good. Debugging and troubleshooting basic skills must be there for this role. At least you should have the basic understanding of what is troubleshooting and debugging and all that. And other skills they have mentioned, which is again it will be a kind of bonus skill, I would say. If you have these skills, you will be given preferences over the others. So like working in agile team using a Scrum or Kanban, and exposure to CI/CD tools and deployment workflows, knowledge of cloud services like Azure, AWS, GCP. Either of them is fine. Either cloud technologies you should do. If you know AWS, that is also well and fine. If you don't know that, if you know Azure, again it's fine. So it's a plus they have written. So it's a kind of bonus skill. If you have cloud knowledge, it's a bonus skill. Strong verbal and written communication skill is must for this role because it's one of the big four company. So they will have a lot of expectations from you. So willingness to stay updated with the latest in Angular, Java, and cloud ecosystem. So again, they are telling that apart from React.js, if you have knowledge of Angular, which is again a front-end framework of JavaScript, so again you will be given preferences along with Java in backend and cloud technologies. So why want to join PwC? The PwC is, as we all know, that known for global innovations, career growth, and top tier clients. Joining their team means you'll be a part of high impact software solutions that makes a real difference. So the associate level is perfect for freshers or candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. So as I already mentioned, it's this role is open for freshers as well. So if you want to kickstart your career in software development or software engineering, and you are a freshers with the the skills that I mentioned, if you carry these skills, then this job is for you. And yeah, how you can apply? So just go ahead to the link in descriptions. We have mentioned a direct link for this particular job, and go and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. And this was all about this important hiring, I would say. Comment below if you need any help with resume tips. And yes, one more thing: try to tailor your resume with the necessary skills that they mentioned over here, like React, Node, Express.js, and cloud technologies, and other stuff that we just discussed, right? Like how to do API testing, troubleshooting, how to fetch the request. So many things are there, and you can just try adding all these skills. Like when I even add some CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and some working projects as well. If you have worked in some full stack projects, then you will be given preferences. Or if you have some full stack experience working in full stack React and Node, then you will be given more preferences as compared to other people. So yeah, this was all about this opportunities, I would say. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for onwards if you haven't subscribed till now, because we keep bringing three important hiring, especially on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So this was all about this wonderful hiring update. If you have the skill set, go and apply as soon as possible. And I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.